hello data points. So from now I also started the learning from the research paper, so that I think to go through it. I highlighted all of this for the analysis. I gather some videos and everything for us. Let's get started and understood this paper. So this paper name is the comprehensive review on the AI agent, transforming the possibility of the technology and the beyond. Okay, so this is the 28 page research paper. We go through it one by one. I highlighted, I gathered some resources as well. You can go through it as well. So okay, so first of all, in this paper we synthesize the insight of cognitive science inspired method hierarchical reinforcement learning framework. So what is RL deep learning? This is the RL deep learning, which is we looking through it. Means the agent do some action, then according to the environment it changes the state. Either it gives the negative reward or the positive reward. Based on this, it's improved itself. Okay, so for this, towards the robust adaptability and trustworthy autonomous intelligent in this paper. So first of all, the in the statistical learning of possibility of 90s and 80s and 90s, the rise of RL and the trial error interaction. So this is the RL, and okay, this is the RL, and that time we found the RL is the most capable system, so that we in this time the create one game that can AlphaGo can beat the whole, beat this grandmaster. He is the grandmaster, and he beat uh, with the AI. Cancel this. Okay, so after that, few related edge. What is the agent to agent? First of all, agent to agent means one agent talking with another agent. That is called the agent to agent. So agent to agent refers the communication of collaboration framework that allow to independent AI agent interact, negotiate, and share the tasks without human interaction. That is called the agent to agent. Okay, this is the two game which is played by AI, and it can beat the grandmaster. So after we understood the semantic review and the meta analysis, PRISMA. So what is that? So okay, that is one guideline designed to improve the reporting and of systematic review. Okay, that is the systematic review, which is method used to and what result we are found. This is one research paper, so that in this research paper they need some output, they need some insight why this is wrong and why this is right. So for this they are using this method. Let's go through identify through a database searches. So let's take an example. We have the 730 articles. In the 730 articles, they are searching. They found that they remove the duplicates. Means, as an example, in my Notion page, I save my daily workflow. Means what I did. In the morning I did the brush, then I study research paper, then I do some research paper on the business side, also read the business paper as well. So they remove all the duplicates sites. And if you notice here also, we can found one search here is, so we can found one chat with AI, where we can, if we are asking something, that can answer through my database looking through it. Okay, after that it extract the full article of 114, means they are the nearly similar to my questions. Like here I asked, does I cover, if I asked on AI, does I cover this AI comprehensive uh, AI agent research paper, then it scan all of this what I wrote here, it scan all of this, then he reply yes or no, like that. Okay, so I pull out this. So we also discuss about the algorithm as well. Let's go through it. After that, the studies which is included, means when we search something, when we do the deep search, then that time it included. Okay, for this searching algorithm, we are using the Google Scholar algorithm, which is a ranking algorithm for designed to weight the uh, academic text much like the researcher do. Means in this, if we're looking at these sources, these sources are gathered from this researcher. How they do, they are ranking all of this content according to their requirement, so they review all of this like that. Then the exclusion, what they deleted, what they don't need in the context window, they don't need because this paper is published, means this research paper based on the English language, so they remove all of the unnecessary papers which are included the starting time, like say the 7:30. Okay, then the architecture, let's understood what is the architecture. So for architecture we have this, for the AI agent do the planning engine, memory and the tools. Basically it have the three capability. If you notice the Claude AI, it's also have the memory. What is the short term memory? Like short term memory or the long term memory, which is the short term and long term tools, like they have the access of our documents. If we are looking at here, we can see here there is the access of the all of our external sources, like the tools and the planning. During they having one option in the chat time, that is called the deep research. That time they need much time. What they did the planning, reflection, most of time self criticize, chain of thought, decomposition. Okay, so this is the most of the three things that happens. So in the planning stage, it's go through the chain of thought. It's go through the chain of thought. This helps model to perform better on the tasks requiring the multi-step reasoning. If we notice, that is the multi-step reasoning, means after step 1 complete, it completed the step 2. AI for now, it's not randomly reasoning anything. If we are thinking 2 plus 2, that then we are see the 2 and 2, and then we are looking at the number plus numbers. Okay, first we are 2 and plus 2. We are first looking at this 2 number, then we are see this is the addition or subtraction or anything. So we are seeing this, after that we add all of this. Okay, similarly after that, RL algorithm, value based methods for heuristic function and linguistic feedback to improve the reasoning skill. It AI most of the hallucinate, means I asked, and I eat rice. He think if in the web they found most of things on the idli vara, then they suggest the idli vara, not the rice. So they hallucinate after after my input again. No, I am not a South Indian person. I am simply Odisha guy. I eat the most of time in the rice. So after that, it improve her memory as well. Memory as well. Then the chain of insights. So what is that? Uh, so that is the framework with large language model with the human feedback like the RLHF or SFT. Supervised fine tuning or reinforcement learning with the human feedback loop. This is the human feedback loop, and this is the supervised tuning. Tuning time we supervise, and this is the one of the similar type of method we are using in this research paper. So let's come to the algorithm. For the algorithm, I created this Notion page. I share. We go through one by one. Here is also so that we can understood what this paper says. So let's check out. First of all, the MA, ME, and MSR. MA is the actor model. ME is the self. MSR is the self real reflection model, and this ME is the evaluator model. So this is the three kind of models we are initializing: actor, evaluator, and the self reflection. Then initialize the policy. This is pi theta AI SI comma theta MA memory. This is the memory. Okay, so this theta is probability happens on here. Then based on that, this provide to the MA. This provide to the MA, which is actor model. After that, it goes to the long term memory. Like here, if you're looking at after the self realization, it goes into the actor model. Then the evaluating tau 0 using ME. What is tau 0 here? Okay, so here we are covered. Tau means that bunch of text, means if the input time we have that many much input like 730, this 730 all our text not directly inject into the long term memory. It's go to the evaluator that evaluate through this tau function using. After that, it generate the self reflection. Means what? After it getting the data from evaluator, it's go to the self reflection. Then it's get into the long term memory. This is so. Yeah, this is overall system. Then it's append to the SR, means the long term memory, and increment the T means the what that means the higher the similarity score, means where we are doing the top three. That time they checking out using the Google Scholar algorithm top three rank. After that, they ranking, they gives that input, then that end. Okay. So in this first understood what is this sign. That sign is called do not force. Okay, do not force, this is the sign. So here if the xi is 1, then it's update. Otherwise the feedback is 0. Means if we are entering here my name is elephant, then it's check elephant is less probability. So it goes like 0.00001 like that. after that it's calculate the probability. If that is greater than our condition, if that is greater than our condition, here AI, then it's pass on, means if that is go to the it's evaluate, then it's go to the self realization, then to the long term memory. Okay, then let's understood the tool. So here we have one examples, like one user want say that plan a trip for me to a UK. Me, I say to the chatbot, what it did, it's plan planning agent plus it data collect the data, recent history of my search history, mood checking, what are the my recent moods, means what I did does I go anywhere, check my social medias, if we give the permission, page the visit most site, if we are looking most famous restaurant in UK, most famous hotel in the UK, what is the place we are what things we can do in a UK, like that. Then the YouTube also, if we have provide the YouTube source as well, then it's analyze all of our history. Based on that the agent plan who is the agent, what he did, what are the steps he need to do, all of this, then go to the memory. After that it analyze the short term and long term memory. This is the data. When the data is go through here, recent data, recent connection, recent networking, like then the most of time visit, if I am listening one music one most of time, UK is my favorite song, like that, then this understood our memory. Then call these tools like calendar, bus ticket agent for the bus, Slack free time, if there is any urgent work I assign from my company, any project checking, any project is pending or that is a client need to submit on recent days, make my trip tools like agent. Then after the deep research it notify me in the emails. This is the whole process what it did. Okay, like here, make a trip, the order been confirmed, well done, I love this, arrange the visiting order for the allies, like that. And it's then it's different types of memory sources it use. Here I mentioned the short term, long term, like that. Then the textual memory, parametric memory, this is the fine tuning model, external knowledge, recent interaction, this is all of this, recent data, famous data collection, all of this. After that the according to the environment, how it environment, if you're looking at the company, then is their project is pending, like that, all of this. So then we can go through what are the benefits of that. Simple, AI agent can scan the image, answer the patient query, then catch the condition earlier if there is something issues, then business issues, forecast the demand and supply, manage the inventory, optimize the logistic, answer the 24/7 answer of customer care. In the supply chain, minimize the production and stock out, leading the significant of cost saving. And complex data help to analyze, execute with the precision and the speed, predict the potential market. Research in the happens on education, student engagement, all of this. And yeah, this is all of from my side. So we meet on another video. So join. Thank you.